Okay, in today's video, we will try and kill the Ender Dragon with only a spear. So, I'm going to, first, we need to craft the spear. Now, I'm going to get some material for my giant chest. Yes, sir. This is my giant chest, everyone, and let's get some material for the spear. As you can see, guys, when I open this, you can see I have a lot of material. The grind is rare. So let me just pick up one diamond. Just one for the spear. Okay, now let's get some one netherite. So I can upgrade the spear. Now let's get some book. Cause we need some enchantment to do. We need to enchantment. Wait. Okay, I need to climb the ladder. I cannot get the stick. We need two stick to craft the spear. Okay. Just let me do this. It's very hard for bedrock right now. Now let's go to my house and get some enchantment to do. Okay, alright guys, if you want some tutorial for my build, you can comment what I'm going to build. You can guys comment. We see if you guys like my build, you can comment on a tutorial. If I will just guys, I'm just going to crop the spear and let's make this another right one. Okay, let's just found where the wait, where is that? Yes, let's get some netherite upgrade. Now, let's make a netherite spear. After making a netherite spear, let's enchant this baby. Okay, let's go. Wait, what I have a dirt block there. Okay, but never mind. Okay, let's go and wait. Oh yeah, I forgot to get the book. Okay, let's get the book first before enchanted it and get some lapis. Okay, sorry about my voice. I don't know. English is my second language, so I'm so sorry. My speaking English very bad. I'm so sorry, guys. But never mind that. Let's enchant this spear right now. Let's go to my house and enchant it. Okay, I missed that water clutch, but never mind. Let's just enchant this. Alright, let's go and enchant some. Okay, let's now enchant my spear. Wait, what? No. Okay, so I get some HP first, and now I can craft. Now I can enchant this. Look at this, fully maxed out spear. Now time to kill the Ender Dragon. Ender Dragon. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's put the End Crystal and beat the Ender Dragon. Only using the spear. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, let me put my water bucket. Okay. Now, let's go beat this. Okay. Okay, now, boom. Look at the wait. The damage is not really that good. Wait, maybe we need some strength potion. Yeah, we need some strength potion. Okay, let's try. Let's do this. Wait, let's go. Wait, let me get speed first. Cause spear gets stronger when you are faster. Let's try. Wait, I lost my speed and let's go try again. What? Oi, what? What is that damage? That's kinda crazy, guys. Okay, let's do it again. Wait, what? Huh? I'm not at... What is that? A lot of damage. I'm not even full speed yet. Is this a bug? Is this a bug? Wait, is this a bug, bro? Because I'm not even full speed and I almost took half damage of the Ender Dragon. Is this a bug? Never mind that. And let's kill the dragon first, guys. Wait, I lost my speed. Okay, let's do this. Boom. Okay, nice. So yeah, I killed the Ender Dragon and my spear is fully maxed out. What material or weapon or armor should I max out next? Comment in the video. Yeah. Thank you for watching, everyone. And please subscribe to my channel and please like the video if you like it. Sorry for my